Creating the window is probably the most time-consuming part of all of this. Depending on the design you're going for, it's either going to involve some cylinders that have been mirrored across. The actual window isn't too difficult. Just make sure you use the root proportional editing. The benches, I went with a pretty simple mesh, but you can go with something more complex if you want. And you can spend a lot of time on materials here if you want. I just went with some pretty simple materials that I just got from Polyhaven. For the columns, I used like a shiny gold material. What I like to do sometimes is select a face loop and then go to select, checker deselect, and then just extrude scale in. For the lighting, I just used some tactics that are from previous videos to get a more cinematic look. So this is my final result. You can take this a little bit further, of course, with the more interesting design perhaps. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.